Hey guys, Ravyn here, and today we're going to be identifying limiting beliefs and creating new ones that actually benefit us. So first and foremost, what is a limiting belief? A limiting belief is a belief that does not serve us. It could be anything along the lines of I hate myself or what's wrong with me. What we're going to do today is we're going to find a piece of paper and a pencil or pen. What we're going to write on the piece of paper is the narrative. So what is the narrative? The narrative is the story that our mind is telling us. How I view it, and maybe how you view it as well, is that the narrative is only true, it's your truth, if it's in alignment with your joy, if it's in alignment with peace, feeling at home in your body, feeling at home in yourself and your soul. But if it's not serving us, if the beliefs that are our narrative are straying us away from who we are, making us feel less than who we are, not powerful enough, not good enough, then that's a false narrative. So come join me as we create new beliefs and rid ourselves of the old ones. We're just going to make a line in between the paper and we're going to write down what we currently believe. So let's say that the area of our lives that we want to improve is our career. So we can simply just write what we want to improve on. So let's say money. From the limiting belief that we might have, let's say that money does not come easy to me. That's our limiting belief. And let's say that the empowering belief it has to be something that makes you feel good, makes you feel uplifted. Let's see, how would you feel if your mentality around money was, money comes naturally to me? Let's put that one there. And the cool thing about beliefs is that once you get rid of a belief, you can acknowledge, hey, that was just a belief, I can change it. But once you have a new belief, that can just be a fact for you. It's your truth. So let's say another belief around money is, I have to work very hard to make it. Now, just ask yourself, ideally, how would you like money to come to you? Maybe it's money comes to me effortlessly and with things that I love. Let's try that. Now let's do one more. Maybe you have a deep-rooted subconscious belief that says money is the root of all evil. And that's not going to help. So let's change this to money is energy. Perfect. There's something that I like to consider the ghosts of your past, and those are the thoughts that will come back, those limiting beliefs. They'll creep on back into your life. But just know that you did kill off those thoughts. You set them off with your intention. And now it's just up to you to continuously practice those affirmations, those positive beliefs. And through practice comes perfection and comes you being able to be in control of your mind and reprogram your mind how you wish. Have a good one, guys, and until next time, bye.